Good evening, everyone. So I'm a little bit sick at the moment. I might not be in tomorrow morning, so if you're seeing this, I had to take a sick day. I've got 3 little projects in Schoology for you to do. You can see on the screen here. First is you're going to watch this 50-minute documentary about extreme bridges. If you go into the documentary, it'll show you. You'll have the video here, or you can go to the link right here. You can watch this in pairs. If the sub has a laptop, they can put it on the smartboard if they know how to do it. If not, you guys can just watch this with your headphones, or you can watch it in pairs. Doesn't really matter. But while you're watching this, you want to make a list of 20 facts you learned while watching this video. It can be anything at all you learned in this, as long as it's something you learned. It'll be about 2 points per fact. So this is worth about 40 or so points. So this will take about 50 minutes. That's the first project. Second thing is the school store project. Basically, you guys can get into groups of 3 or 4, 2 if you really want to. Doesn't really matter. You guys want to try and design something in Tinkercad that you could then resell or sell to people through the school store in Mr. Watkins' room. So it's something you have to design yourself in Tinkercad. It can be a keychain, it can be a tool, it can be a figurine, all kinds of stuff, as long as it's unique to whatever you guys want to do. It's smart to think of something that a lot of people want to buy, not just something you would want to buy yourself. When your group is done, there's a discussion right here. You're just going to take a screenshot of your object and then type in all the members of your group so we know who did what. You can use things from Thingiverse, so I've shown you all how you can pull files from Thingiverse, put them in Tinkercad. If you're going to do that, you have to change the file from Thingiverse in some way. It can't just be you're going to take the Rocktopus, put it in Tinkercad, and that's your thing. You got to change it somehow, like take its head and put Shrek on there or something else. You got to change it in some way. If you finish that and there's still time, I have everyone's favorite folder right here with all the possible other projects you can do. So pick something you haven't done and do that, and that should take up all the time. Yeah, and hopefully you won't need this, and hopefully I'll be back tomorrow, but just in case this is what you guys are going to be doing, please behave, whoever is covering, and I will hopefully see you guys all on Thursday.